Here we can see text within a Word document. This is an example of a title. And if you look at it, you can see it says styles of Indian curries. And look at each word, and you can see the first letter of each word is in uppercase. Now, this in Word is referred to as title case. If you look at the text underneath it, it's a paragraph that consists of 3 sentences, and it's in normal text format. And you can see that each sentence has an appropriate full stop. I have selected all of the title. I'm now going to press Shift+F3 on the keyboard and watch what happens to the title. You can see it goes to all uppercase. I'll press Shift+F3 again and you can see it all goes to lowercase. And pressing it one more time, you can see it goes to what is referred to, as we've already said, title case, where every word has its first letter capitalized and everything else in the word is lowercase. With the paragraph selected, I'm going to press Shift+F3 on the keyboard, and you can see all of the words go to uppercase. Pressing Shift+F3 again, and you can see all of the words have gone lowercase. If I press it again, you might be tempted to think that all of the words are going to reflect title case. Well, let's see what happens. We will now press Shift+F3, and you can see that didn't happen. But if you look carefully, you can see the first word of every sentence has its first letter capitalized. In other words, this is a special case as far as Shift+F3 is concerned. It knows it's dealing with sentences, so it doesn't change everything to a title case. It does what it would do with respect to text where you had normal sentences. It only capitalizes the first letter of the first word in every sentence. I'm holding the Shift key down, which will now allow me to press the F3 a number of times, and you can see the cycling of the look of the text every time I hit F3. So you can see that Shift+F3 behaves slightly differently depending upon whether you're cycling a title, which can also be referred to as a heading, or the text where the text has sentences.